She's in this too. So, hey guys, today I'm opening a squishy package. I already opened it halfway. And here is her. Say hello, her.
Hello.
Yeah, that's her. Anyways, so here's our small thing that I like. So it's really soft. It's a panda bear. It's still rising, like. So,
Hi.
yeah, okay. So here's this one.
It's super squishy.
Yeah.
Follow me on Instagram, f.t.
Okay, can you put this in package? Okay, so here's the next thing. It's a jumbo panda bun. Oops, it's the boy face. Not squishy. Yeah, that thing. Here's a roadie toast. So, I do have two of these, and one of these is going to be for sale. Okay, so much more.
Ew.
Okay, then there's, don't touch it!
What is this?
It's an adult grown baby.
Why does it feel so weird?
Don't touch.
Yeah.
It's called a squishy. If
There's-
you want them, they're $1.
No?
No, they're not. Or like more than $1. Some of them are $1.
This one. It's a burger.
Are you guys recording yourself?
Yes, we are.
The baby.
Here's this one.
That's super cute.
This one's for sale. Stop staring at me, baby.
Go away, Christian.
This
This
toast.
is so weird.
You're so weird.
This panda bread.
Oh, it smells good. If you smell them, they smell really good.
Yeah.
But they kind of smell weird.
This cat thing. It's a little defected. This panda bread, which I'm probably not selling. And another roadie toast. I'm selling this one.
Follow her. If she hits 1,000 subscribers, she's getting a MacBook Air.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Hit that
Subscribe.
button. Hit that button for the squishies. Insert like insert a subscription box right here. In the
And at 1,000 subs, I will doing an iBloom giveaway.
Yeah. Wait.
Hey, what? Yeah.
What? Okay, I'm gonna enter that.
So there's that. There's the one's like soft and stuff. Oops, okay. Then there's this slush bun.
You staring at
Well, baby butt.
baby butt.
There's this turtle. So
No, she said to put it in that package.
slush bun.
And the package is so weird and it won't cooperate with me.
There's
And I probably
other
leave it
turtle.
in like 5 minutes.
Okay, we get it. That's a squishy. There's this one. Sorry about the lighting.
I'll just like model them on the side.
I'm going blind.
This thing.
In the package.
I'm going to.
There's this one. And this one. So, and this one. And that one.
Let them see it.
And this one. Okay, she
You
finally got
already
it.
did this one.
So that's her. How freaking is
It's not fake candy, it's called squishies.
Here's a sample of what how it.
Wait, I need to zoom out. Don't touch my butt.
Don't touch my butt.
Okay. Hey guys. So that is all the video is. Hope you guys liked it. Bye. Check out my squishy shop. And don't forget to subscribe because when I get to 1,000, there's gonna be an iBloom giveaway.
And she'll get a MacBook Air, so
Yeah.
support.
iBloom giveaway!
Yeah. Yeah. Bye guys.